What up, my logistics peeps? Yes, so sales in logistics as a freight broker is very, very intriguing and very, very competitive. So, when somebody tells you that, you know what, I'm very happy with my current provider, I don't really think I'll be switching anytime soon. And that's putting it nicely. Usually they don't say it that nicely. But anyways, if someone tells you that, just have a conversation with them. Ask them, tell them, question them. Ask them, you know what are they doing so well that you're not even willing to listen to what I have to offer? As an example. Or ask them, you know what, can you tell me what they do so well to see where we can maybe fit in line on certain maybe lanes that they aren't doing so well that they're struggling to cover. Maybe I have the capacity to help you out. So reach out, question more, get the conversation started. They're human beings. If you ask them politely and professionally, they will be more than welcome to reply back, either through email or in person or over the phone. I don't know. That's how I like to do things. I mean, if that's not your cup of tea, then I apologize. But you should give it a try. Just question. Just ask questions that elicit answers. You know, and give some insight into the industry. You know, like certain lanes that they may be looking to cover that they're struggling with. There's a good chance that you can help. That maybe. On certain lanes where other people can't. So, anyways, that's my 36 cents worth of per mile conversations and tips. So, if you don't feel like that's the right way to do it, leave a note or comment, and we'll have a big debate and discussion. So, cheers from somewhere in the world. It could be that I'm currently in Mexico, or it could be that I'm in Cuba, or it could be that I'm in Guatemala. We don't know. We just don't know. Cheers. Bye.